In the house, Crypto OG coming to you live from Asia, guys. This is our 10 p.m. update, guys, and I hope you guys are having a huge evening out there in Asia. My sisters and brothers, you should be kicking back, relaxing, not worrying about your portfolio, but you should be watching my videos. That's the only thing you should be doing right now. All my friends and my family and everybody that's dear and near to me, all my subscribers, all my members that are in America, good morning. Hopefully you guys having a great day, got a good day planned, and it should be Saturday morning for most of you there, so you guys should be sitting back, relaxing, maybe planning a barbecue with the kids and stuff. So remember, this video, we got an action-packed video. We're going to ask a couple questions, yes or no. Should you be investing more? Should you be buying or selling Dogecoin? Should you be buying or selling Bitcoin? Will the bull market return? When are we going to see a reversal? What is going on in the broader markets? So we're going to answer all these yes/no questions moving throughout the video. So you got to watch the video from start to finish, guys. You got to do it. I know you want to do it. So before we get started, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just an OG expressing his opinions. Remember, you got to do your own risk management. Guys, you got to do your own risk management. Remember that. And also, guys, make sure that you have your cryptocurrency, if you have it on exchanges or any platforms, make sure that you have enhanced security, have your two-factor authentication enabled, because there's a lot of new hackers, ransomware, exploits, social engineered scams going on to try to get your crypto. So guys, just take the necessary security precautions to ensure that your crypto is safe and sound. And watch out for nasty scammers in the contents, guys. They will try to pretend to be me and try to ask you to contact them. So subscribe right now, smash the likes. Let's jump into the content. Yes or no, this is what we're going to be talking about. And remember, please go back to my my YouTube channel and go back and watch some of these videos. If you have not watched any of these videos, whatever you missed, jump in right now and go back and watch these videos. The last video, Dogecoin, Stop Worrying, was a fantastic video. It was a funny video, informative. You need to go back and watch it. Anything you haven't watched, go back and watch it right now. So let's jump into content. Let's not delay. Let's get it right now. Woo! All right, so let's take a look at the broader markets right now. You can see that the S&P is going down right now, and that's going to affect, absolutely it's going to affect the overall crypto markets. And let's see how much of an effect that's going to be, because we still have this inflation data that came out some time ago. Still not a lot of confidence in the market, but this will drag down the crypto markets in the short term. In the long term, the inflation data was good because people are going to move more of their assets out of the stock markets, out of the stocks, and they're going to move it into crypto. So it's going to be good long term. So let's take a look at BTC. What's going on with BTC, guys? Let me move my face out of the way. So you can see that right now we're forming a little bit of a green candle. Let me blow that up for you so you can see it. Forming a little bit of a green candle, but we're still way below 32,000. That's not good, guys. We definitely need Bitcoin to go up, because that's going to take all the altcoins up with it. And as I have said earlier, it's very important for you guys to understand that the altcoins will often move in a more volatile way when Bitcoin makes moves. So, if Bitcoin has a 10% correction, you can see altcoins having a 15 to 20% correction. So remember that altcoin leads the markets and dominates the markets and will tell you and dictate the way that altcoins are going to flow. All right? So let's take a look into it. As you guys can see, I've been talking about this in a number of videos, but you can see that the Bitcoin millionaire tier holding addresses continue to climb. Despite the BTC price going down, this is still climbing. It means that the whales know something. They know that the market's going to rebound. We're definitely going to have a reversal to the upside very soon, and it's not going to be months, it's going to be weeks. So I definitely think that something's going to happen, and it's going to be good for everyone. And I'm not the only one talking about it. You can see that William Clemente in Twitter, he's also talking about it right here. You can see that William Clemente, he's saying that we can see that, Binance by far the largest receiving exchange through H1, the outflows have commenced. The supply squeeze is coming. So you can see absolutely, there's a supply squeeze happening right before our eyes, guys. It's happening. I can see it. It's right there. It's definitely right there. And you can see that the Bitcoin outflows is increasing and the squeeze is happening. And when you have a squeeze like this, you have no Bitcoin on exchanges, it can only mean one thing, that there's going to be limited supply for people to buy, and that will mean that the price is going to go up. Because if the whales are moving it off exchanges, it means that something's going to happen and there's going to be absolutely a supply shock really soon. And we can see that happening here. And William Clemente, he's a very intelligent guy. He absolutely knows what he's talking about. And you guys should take heed in what he says because it's huge. So, supply shock, definitely supply shock. I've been talking about that. Everyone's talking about it. And it's not just me making this up. The data absolutely, factors that in, that we see that there's a lot of Bitcoin going off exchanges and being stored by these huge whale wallets. All right. So let's take a look at where my Doge is right now. So my Doge right now is still, we've got a little bit of a green candle, and that's really in reaction to Bitcoin slightly going up. And we're still trading at below 17.5, around about 17.4. So we could definitely be forming a double bottom. A double bottom it tends to be a bullish pattern. So if we hit this double bottom, now we have two scenarios. We could hit the double bottom at 16.6, or we could hit the double bottom at 14.4. Either way, if we hit that, we should see an upside bullish trend happening very soon. So let's take a look at that in more details, guys. Let's blow that up so you guys can see it. Once again, we're right here. We can probably hit this double bottom, as you can see here. Let me get my face out of the way. You don't need to see my face. So here you can see right here we are at around about 16.2. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles hit at 16.6. So this is a definite support line. Looks like we're going down here to 16.6. If we hit the 16.6, this could signify a double bottom, and that could send us up anywhere up to 29 cents in a couple weeks to 3 weeks. So we have support here. Let me get my face out of the way. So we got some major support at 16.65, and you can see that right here. We've got another support level of 14.1. So we could go as low as 14.1 to form that bottom, because sometimes the secondary bottom can sometimes be lower than the first bottom. But I'm hoping that we'll hit this 16.65, and that will bounce way up on that. So I'm hoping that's going to happen. And then we have minor support at 12.2. This is not a huge support line. It's minor support, so it's going to be hard to maintain that. But you can see here we just have a bull or buy indicator just formed at the 16.65. So that's kind of a bullish thing. So hopefully we'll get a reversal, and that will take us back up. Or it's signifying that we've actually hit that bottom. We formed the double bottom, and then we're going to have a bearish uptrend coming soon. So let's hope that happens, guys. So let's jump into some news. Our first piece of news is right here, and then we'll jump into the markets. As you know, Cardano launches testnet to move closer to smart contracts, and the polymarket odds bet against the project. So, Cardano's really been really slow, and they're now moving to the Alonzo testnet. So that's going to be the first stage in testing that the smart contracts are working. Once the smart contracts or the Alonzo testnet is complete, and Cardano goes to smart contracts are enabled, this is going to be huge for Cardano, and we could see the price absolutely skyrocket, absolutely soar, because then they're going to be like Polkadot, they're going to be like Solana, they're going to be like Harmony, they're going to be Ethereum. Can ADA be an Ethereum killer? No. Can it be a competitor? Yes. So let's see what happens. The hard fork is successful on Wednesday, and let's hopefully that we can get the smart contracts rolled out really soon, because it's a little bit delayed. The head of Cardano, he always likes to do things. He's very methodical. He's a perfectionist, and sometimes, perfection can slow things down. But that any time that he rolls stuff out, it's going to work. It's not going to be broken. It's not going to be half baked, right? So let's hope the smart contracts get rolled out for Cardano. So yeah, let's move on to the next news. Bybit extends its reach with offering spot trade. Bybit previously was just a leverage trade platform, but now they realize that not only doing leverage trading, not only can you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, other coins, and Dogecoin is there on there too, you can actually do spot trading without leverage. So that's really good. So like I said, don't leverage trade unless you want to get wrecked. Leverage trading, 1x, 5x, 10x, 20x, it's not smart unless you have a lot of experience. You will get wrecked. Even I get wrecked when I leverage trade. I don't do it. It's too risky, guys. Some other bullish news. We have German bank Comdirect now offers 11 cryptocurrencies in EDPs in a savings plan. So they've got this savings plan right now, and they're offering this to all of their customers. So this is another innovative bullish sign that crypto mainstream adoption is here to stay, and it's growing, and it's going, and it's coming. So some of the ETFs are offered in this investment are Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot, Stellar, Cardano, Solana, and more. So this is something for you guys to look at. If you look at these coins here, if they think that they should be part of this ETF, the ETP, and these are main projects. So they've just told you that these are going to be the key killer projects that are going to be moving forward in 2021. So these are some coins that you need to be keeping an eye on, and you need to be thinking about adding them to your portfolio. Remember, none of this is financial advice. And if you go to our portfolio at CoinMarketCap, you can see that the Crypto Daily Trade Signal portfolio also encompasses many of these coins. So the answer is, should you be buying more crypto? Absolutely yes. You should be buying more crypto. Buy on the dips right now. Don't be a wet Nancy. Don't be a weak Nancy. Now is a perfect time to be bargain hunting. Buy on the dips, please. This is a huge, huge time to be doing that. Let's buy on the dips, guys. Woo! All right. So let's take a look at our portfolio and see where we're faring. So this is Crypto Daily Trade Signal portfolio. Right now, as you know, the markets have been going down. We're actually down $554 right now, and our total balance is $444. So our P&L right now, we're down about 11%. But I'm not worried because once we get this reversal, our portfolio is going to be pumping. It's going to be cooking, and as you can see, most of those coins that were in the German bank ETP we have them all here, guys. So these are some coins to keep an eye on, and check out the link. We have our portfolio link in the description. Check it out. Check it out. So let's go back to our Doge, and the question is it time to give up on Doge? Yes or no? Should you be selling your Doge? Simple answer is no. You should be accumulating more Doge. These are bargain basement prices. Doge absolutely will be going to $1 this year. It's going to get there. Bitcoin, 100,000 this year. Definitely is going to get there. And we're going to see a major, mega super cycle move. And it's going to happen absolutely in the winter. At the end of the year, you're going to see bold moves. I see that, Bitcoin should be approaching its all-time highs in the fall. Doge should be going up to its all-time highs again in the fall, and we should be taking off, and hopefully Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum and Cardano and all the other coins in our portfolio, they should be hitting all-time highs in winter. So you guys need to buckle up. Don't be weak Nancy's. Don't panic. This is not the time to give up. This is not the time to be weak-handed and sell to the strong hands. The strong hands will survive in this downturn correction. The bull run is not over. We're only in a micro cycle, a downturn. You guys need to be completely pumped. You need to be completely psyched. This is not over. I've talked about it over and over and over again. It is not over. This is only the beginning. And we have July 21st, the B World with Elon and Dorsey. Definitely there's going to be some pumpity pump there. We got the congressional SEC meeting on the 28th. Let's see how that pans out. And I think, you're not going to see really any major moves by any cryptos, including Bitcoin and Doge, till after the 28th of this month. And after that, we can start to see things moving upwards. Remember, Monday to Friday, the markets pump. Saturday, Sunday, the markets tend to dump. So we're seeing a possible red weekend for you guys in America and in the Asian continent. So let's take a look, guys, at the look at the overall picture right now of where things are. So we're looking at coin market cap, and right now you can see that the total market cap right now is 1.285 trillion. The volume is 62. The volume is really slow volume. Bitcoin dominance is 46.3, and the total number of crypto projects right now is exceeding 10,000. It's 10,938, and we should be cracking 11,000 soon. So our global crypto market is up slightly. It's basically flatline. So you can see that Bitcoin is trading at 31,359.71. It's up 0.16, so it's not doing anything. 7 days, we're down almost 7%. Ethereum also basically zero right now. It's still below my critical $2,000 threshold. We really need to get that pumping past $2,000. Come on, Ethereum, you can do it. And for over the last 7-day period, we're down 11%. Now, we look at Binance Coin, it's at 298, it's down almost 2%, and that's down 4.53%, guys. Not looking good. Cardano is at 1.18. Let's hopefully, with this Alonzo testnet complete, that Cardano will pump. But once again, Cardano is definitely following Bitcoin, as all the other altcoins. So Cardano is down for the last 7 days, almost 13%. And my Doge is down 20% in the last 7 days, guys. Wow, it's not feeling good. But guys, diamond hands, don't panic. Don't panic. This is not the time to sell. So the answer is, should you sell? The answer is no. No. Should you have diamond hands? Yes. So guys, don't panic. And we're down in the last 24 hours, 3%, and we're at 17.44. So we could be seeing ourselves going down even further. We could see ourselves going down and testing these levels right here of 16.65. That's our next major support. Then at 14.1. I believe we're going to probably form our double bottom either at 16.65 and have a reversal up, or 14.1. We got to see how that plays out. So let's see how it plays out. I really can't tell you where it's going to go, but all I can tell you is that we've been going down for the last 7 days. The overall trend is down. We have a purple line right here, guys, and the overall trend is down. So if I extend this line, it's going to take us all the way down here. And if we drop below 12 cents, guys, then we're going down to 9 cents. That's guaranteed. But is it time to sell your Doge? No, it's not. Is it time to have diamond hands? Yes, it is. Is it time to have weak hands? No, it's not. So that's the answer to the questions that you've probably been tuning in for. So keep an eye on my purple line. If we break down past the purple line today, we're definitely going down, boys. So the next support level is 14.41. So I'm really hoping we can form this double bottom fast and have the reversal. We really need Bitcoin to start pumping. We need to have Bitcoin start to take off. Come on, Bitcoin, you can do it. Do it for the OG in the house. So as I said, the S&P markets right now are still down. And until we get that reversal in the S&P markets for the short term, you're going to see crypto under some pressure. So guys, once again, this is the OG in the house from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, coming to you live from Asia. Guys, smash the likes right now. Smash it. Not enough of you are smashing that likes. You've got smash the like avoidance syndrome. What's going on with you guys? Subscribe right now, as I'm going to jump out of your TV, out of your phone, and help you to smash the like. Woo! And smash it and hit that subscribe button. Guys, remember, I've got merch. I've got t-shirts. I've got aprons. I've got mugs. Check it out. I got Weak Nancy t-shirts, channel t-shirts. I've got Doge Army, and soon to be released is my Purple Rain Line merch. You want to get some of that? Remember, all the proceeds of the merch go to charity. All right? Buy the channel a coffee. All proceeds go to charity. Check out my NFT collection. Check out the NFT collection. Beautiful collection designed by my wife. You guys want it? If you guys are interested, send me an email right away, and I can give you a discount on that. So guys, be blessed. I love you guys to death. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! And if anything breaks over the next couple hours, I'll let you know. But typically, weekends, the news cycle is slow. You will see on the weekends, if there's going to be any negative narratives, it's going to be on the weekend, because they do that to scare the retail investors to sell their coins. So don't be weak hand, diamond hands, guys. So now is not the time to sell. Now is the time to hold. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. I love you guys to death. Woo! I'm so fired up. I'm so excited. It's such a great time to be in the crypto space. Woo! Let's get it. Peace out, guys.